And that is also the only garden that doesn't have irrigation on as yet, although I've got the irrigation here. But we only used our irrigation system in early springs before the rain started to germinate seed. But since the rainy season started, we haven't irrigated at all. The first time I irrigated was yesterday, and that is after a 3-week dry spell with lots of heat, and that I actually saw that the peppers, I showed you the Hungarian and the cherry peppers, were suffering a bit. The first time that we switched on the irrigation.
So the growth of these was also stunned a little bit. The grass and weeds that were growing as well, and us obviously not having the time to constantly pull out weeds. But we did about a week ago, I think, that we actually sat and gave attention to this, and we pulled out all of the weeds, and now it's also just
booming
again. So yeah.
So I think as well for next season to look at a system maybe again with the landscape fabric, to have that as a weed barrier.
Yeah.
I am concerned about the sun baking that black plastic barrier, woven barrier. So I think on top of that I'll add a layer of wood chip mulch or something like that, because you also don't want to cook your vegetables at the end of the day. But so we learn, and we are looking for ways that we can, strategies that we can implement to reduce the physical labor that we normally would have done in our garden, but still actually have a prolific garden. So instead of having, spending so much time weeding and not having that time at the moment, if we can put a weed barrier and mulch it and suppress weeds in that way, and then let the veggies grow, might be the way to go.